Welcome back to Ozarks Tonight. As the fight continues to make sure no families go hungry during the COVID-19 pandemic, Ozarks Food Harvest is partnering with SGC Food Service to provide fresh food boxes to those in need. Bart Brown, President and CEO of Ozarks Food Harvest, is joining us on the program this afternoon. Bart, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Now, this is all part of the Farmers to Families Food Box program. Now, how will this effort help families right here in the Ozarks, Bart?
It's a great program, and it's a win for everyone. The program helps farmers from dumping their crops in the field, like we've been reading about, and it gets fresh food to food banks like Ozarks Food Harvest, so we can distribute it immediately to folks in need. And the program doesn't have any kind of requirements in terms of income or eligibility, so literally anybody can qualify for this food.
Excellent. Now, for those folks that aren't aware, just talk about what the need is like right here in Southwest Missouri during the COVID-19 pandemic for families that just need food to eat.
It's been unprecedented as far as the need goes. To give you an example, last April we distributed about 1.8 million meals for the month. This April, we distributed 2.2 million meals. To give you an idea of the increase, we had a mobile food pantry today where we usually have about 100 folks show up, and we actually had 300 show up. So there's a lot of folks out of work that just haven't been out of work before, and they're needing help, and they never have before.
Now, through this program, a lot of this food is fresh, nutritious food. How big is the need for food that is fresh and nutritious for families here in the Ozarks?
Well, it's huge. Right now, that we all know that food is a little hard to get in the grocery stores even because the pipeline's been disrupted. And so fresh food, access to fresh meat and fresh dairy products, which is what we're partnering with SGC Food Service on, has been huge. The demand for protein and meat and dairy is one of our biggest requests from clients. And so this is huge for us.
Absolutely. And with the social distancing measures in place, has that impacted the work that you all have been able to do at Ozarks Food Harvest, made it more challenging maybe to get the food to where it needs to go?
Boy, it sure has. So we really had to disrupt our volunteer program because so many of our volunteers are in a higher risk group. And so fortunately, Missouri Foundation for Health and the National Guard have stepped up, and we've got folks working here now from both of those organizations. So that's really helped us out tremendously. We couldn't do what we are doing now without them.
For sure. And as this pandemic continues to stretch on, I'm sure you all have had the conversation. Now, what happens if it's, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months down the line before a lot of folks can go back to work? Does Ozarks Food Harvest have plans in place just in case this turns into something where it might be late summer or early fall or maybe next winter before the vast majority of the workforce can go back to work?
Those are our plans. We are laying out plans for the next 6 to 9 months with increased need in mind. Just because people aren't going to go back to work immediately, this is going to take a little while to get over as a country. We have so many people out of work, and it's just not going to come back, immediately.
For sure. Now, previous to this, has your organization, did you all have any plans in place for anything like this, a pandemic that's on the global scale, or has this been a day-to-day having to adjust going forward to help those families in need here?
I think pretty much a global pandemic was not on our radar in terms of planning. So we're having to make this up as we go along, just like everybody else. But the good thing is, because Ozarks Food Harvest is so qualified to handle food, everything here is far and above what health guidelines are for the coronavirus anyway. Just as a virtue of being a food handling facility, it's very safe here as far as the sanitation goes. So that hasn't changed for us, but the disruption to the volunteer program, the increased need, and the fact that food is hard to get right now because it's oversold and there's not a lot in the pipeline, and that's what this program is aiming to do.
For sure. Now, one of my favorite things about living in the Ozarks, and I'm sure you know this as well, is that, people of the Ozarks are extremely generous. They reach out to help their neighbors when they're in need. For your organization right now, what are some of those major needs as we go forward into the late spring and early summer months here?
Well, the very best way to help us out right now is to make a monetary donation because the food pipelines are disrupted. So we need help purchasing food in large quantities so we can get the best buy on it because food is so high right now. And we also don't want folks coming to the warehouse because we're still closed to the public. And so a lot of people normally give food to us, but right now we're asking folks to make a monetary donation if you can, if you want to be a part of this effort, until we can get our volunteer program and other things back up and running. And that may be a little while.
Mm-hmm. For sure. And how can folks make that monetary donation to your organization?
So the easiest way is to just go online to ozarksfoodharvest.org, and there's a COVID-19 window that pops up as soon as you get there, and it's just a click away to make a donation. Every dollar you give will allow us to provide about $10 worth of food for about 4 meals. So your dollars will go a long way toward helping your neighbors in need with this particular situation.
All right. Bart Brown, President and CEO of the Ozarks Food Harvest. Bart, thank you so much for coming on the program today.
Yes, thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate your help.
For sure. We'll be back with more Ozarks Tonight right after this.